That's not how the vast majority of business now sees it, though. This firm in Oxfordshire makes safety equipment and was quick to protect itself after the referendum by opening a factory in Germany. The boss even then fearing a no deal. Now he's convinced.
Where we are now, I think we're going to go down. It's every inevitability. We're looking at a no deal Brexit. These are the cards on the table. They've been dealt to us, and we've got to work with them.
The best hope, he now believes, is to get out and move as quickly as possible to trade talks.
When you get backed into a corner, there's only two ways you go, and you generally the best way is to try and fight out of it, and that will be by a no deal, but hopefully following up with a very quick trade arrangement with Europe afterwards. And I hope Europe very much operate that way. I think we can all sit around a table once we're through with this withdrawal agreement and then look to the future, not the past.